Planning and organization are two fundamental pillars for achieving success in any area of life. Without proper planning and effective organization, it becomes difficult to reach goals or maintain balance in various aspects of life. In this article, we will explore the importance of planning and organization and their role in achieving success. Planning is the process of setting goals and devising strategies to achieve them. Through planning, a person can outline a clear path of action, which helps in reducing risks and increasing the chances of success. Good planning allows for prioritizing tasks, allocating resources efficiently, and addressing potential challenges before they turn into real problems. Organization is the element that helps in executing the plan in an orderly and effective manner. Through organization, a person can arrange tasks and activities in a way that makes them easier to complete without distraction or wasting time. Effective organization ensures that time and resources are used in the best possible way, leading to the achievement of goals with efficiency and effectiveness. Planning and organization are closely interconnected. Planning provides the vision and strategy, while organization ensures that this strategy is implemented in an orderly and goal-oriented manner. Without organization, plans may remain mere ideas without execution, and without planning, organization may lack direction. In the workplace, planning and organization help in increasing productivity and achieving professional goals. In personal life, they can aid in achieving a balance between work and personal life, leading to a happier and more fulfilling life. In academics, they can contribute to academic success by organizing study time and tasks effectively. Planning and organization are key to success in all aspects of life. Through good planning and effective organization, goals can be achieved more quickly and efficiently, leading to success in both professional and personal life.